And welcome back to Dr. Noah's Arginine Update. I'm Arginine Doc, and this is part 4 of the different types of things that arginine, the miracle nutrient, is able to do. And as we continue here, it can basically help offset cardiovascular and lung damage caused by tobacco use, since nitric oxide levels in smokers are definitely less than those who are non-smoking, so that's important. This particular type of antioxidant effect can be beneficial. Helps accelerate wound healing and post-surgical recovery. Great research on that in terms of if you're thinking about either having simple things as, well, it's not simple, but having either from dental surgery, dental extraction, to major heart surgery like that. This has been shown to be very, very effective in speeding up the recovery, less complications with burns and other types of healing after surgery, which is great. When we already talked about, and we talked about as of March 2010, the great study that showed that l-arginine and some amino acids were able to enhance up to almost 16 to 17% physical performance in older people, and I use that with quotations since I'm in my 50s. I don't consider myself old, but people in their 50s and 60s really enhancing their overall exercise tolerance. Great with in terms of athletes, top athletes from around the world use this, and very, very effective like that. And also in terms of helping, with the prostate for men, which is very, very important after about age 40 to 50, becomes basically swollen and tender. We've talked about the PSA test that's been now shown to be basically not effective in terms of trying to diagnose cancer, so you really want to take good health of your prostate, and by taking these l-arginine products are great. Helps prevent and possibly reverses the effects of osteoporosis by positively affecting the bone mass. We talked about that earlier, so that's a big deal because osteoporosis kills more women than, that's right, breast cancer and cervical cancer combined, adds it together. So osteoporosis is a bigger killer, bigger problem. It's disfiguring, it's painful, and it's all preventable, and it's actually reversible using some other things. It's also been used with the treatment of irritable bowel syndrome, nasty type of thing, great success with that and some other natural type of things out there, and reducing the occurrence of ulcers that are especially stress related without affecting gastric acid production, which is best like that. And the last thing is improves renal function in your kidneys and slow the progression of renal or kidney damage and age-related chronic renal failure. Terrible type of thing, costing hundreds of thousands of dollars with renal failure and dialysis and eventual death, when that can basically be prevented altogether. So those are some things about l-arginine, and keep up to date with the latest research on l-arginine and your health and well-being. Thanks.